Want to know how to remove echo from an audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. First things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you've done that, just simply import any audio that you like. Just simply towards File, select Import and import audio. Now, once you have done that, here you should be seeing your audio right here. And just simply double click on it, head towards Effect on top, select Noise Removal and Repair, and then select Noise Reduction. So once you have selected Noise Reduction, here you should be seeing Gate Noise Profile. Just simply select it first before doing anything. Now just simply follow the same step again. Head towards Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, select Noise Reduction, and now here you can just simply follow my settings. So that is, your noise reduction should be around 10 to 15 decibels. So I'm just going to keep 13 right here. Make sure your sensitivity is around 5 to 6 only, and your frequency smoothing is brand. So once you're done, just simply select OK and you're good to go. And that's it. Your echo should be removed and your noise reduction should be successful. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.